National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sugar Grove, or near Aurora, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Hinsdale, Lemont, Burr, Brook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills and Willow Springs. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 268 and 276. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 134. Interstate 355 between mile markers 12 and 22. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Morton Arboretum, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather radar.